Hey, what's up my loves? Welcome to today's video where I show you how coffee promotes hair growth, and I'm going to show you how to make DIY coffee oil, and of course how to make a coffee rinse for extremely thick hair strands. It's going to stop hair fall and promote thick and lengthy hair. For the ingredients, I'll be using my DIY avocado oil. I'll leave the video down in the description box and up in the cards for a detailed tutorial on how to make this oil. Or you can use avocado oil, that's the one you get from stores. Next ingredients, you'll be using coffee. Here you can use any coffee that you have access to. It really doesn't matter, as long as it is coffee, it's going to work just the same way. So how to make this coffee oil, guys? Using a mixing jar, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of coffee into a mixing jar, and of course we're going to add 250 ml of our avocado oil. We are infusing our coffee oil using the double boiler method. First, we are putting in a towel into the pot just to avoid the jar from breaking. Then we are adding in water, enough water that's going to boil in order to help the coffee oil infuse better into our avocado oil. And after 30-20 minutes, it's good. You can put it aside for it to cool down. Now let's go make our coffee rinse. We're using coffee again and again. If you have all the ingredients for once, just let me know down in the comment, because this is one of the easiest recipe I've shared here. So share it with your friends so that they can also make their own batches. Okay, so using hot water, extremely hot water, add in the coffee into the water and cover it up for it to infuse. Now that our oil has cooled down, it's time to strain. Use a piece of clothing to strain, or you can use a cheesecloth. Just make sure those coffee particles does not go through your oils. once you obtain your coffee oil, put it aside, and the residues of the coffee that you're seeing here, I'm going to show you on the next video. So I want to encourage you to subscribe, because I'm going to use them as a scrub, because I have extremely skin irritation. I think it might be asthma. So follow up on my skincare healing journey, and let's go to strain the coffee rinse now. I miss you. Now let's strain this. I'm going to use this batch to my mom, and of course even to the coffee oil. I'm going to use it on my mama's hair, and she is really strict when it comes to recording her, so bear with me guys, bear with me.